Okay, by order of the Spanish government, the children are off school for the next 2 weeks. So, to make it more fun, I'm going to be vlogging this wonderful period of our lives where we'll be stuck indoors and no, it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be wonderful. So, day 1, Friday the 13th. Here we go. It's a hard life.
Oh, well, lost again.
First day, working very hard. Concentrating, lots of schoolwork. Could probably do with a clean. Baking cookies. They don't look that interesting, but they taste amazing. Dinner, pudding. So just a little update. I've come to the supermarket just to top up a few bits and pieces because my husband just sent me a message just to say that on Monday they're going to be shutting the shops as a safety measure, and I think he means non-essential shops, but I'm just picking up a few things because I refuse to panic buy, because to be honest I really don't get what everybody's panicking about. Anyway, I'm just going to go and get a few essentials just in case the shops do shut. But I'm going to do it very calmly, and I'm going to pretend that nothing interesting is happening. So yes, I went to the supermarket and all the dry goods were gone. There wasn't any rice or pasta or flour or milk or sugar. That was interesting. Anyway, I managed to get, alternatives, soya milk and stuff like that. Anyway, yes, also, my challenge over the next 30 days was to learn Spanish. I go to a lesson twice a week, but that's all been cancelled too. So, we shall see where this all goes.